hindi
How
bote,
are you?
kundi mga plastic.
Good.
Kasama bote. Kasama na. 1.5 bote.
Take a video of Grandpa.
Yeah.
Itim doon po.
Look.
Halo-halo na. Ang Wilkie.
Oh, say hi.
Look.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Hi. Grandpa. Do you love me? I guess he loves me.
Laksan mo para marinig ka niya.
Grandpa!
Wait, ah.
Do you love me? I guess he loves me.
Yeah, he loves you very much.
But why did he die?
You get tired, I think. You need to rest.
Mom, can you close this thing?
No, are you sad?
What about, can you open this?
No, wait. Are you sad?
Yeah.
Talk to grandpa.
Does Grandpa have socks?
Talk to grandpa.
Let me see.
No, wait. Talk to grandpa first.
Grandpa, I hope you're alive again tomorrow. I'm just whispering on the Lord.
That.
Grandpa, I wish for Grandpa to be alive again.
To be alive again. Why?
Because I love him so much.
Oh, tell to him. Tell to Lord.
What is that? Is that my toy necktie?
No, that's Lolo's necktie. Oh, talk to Jesus.
Where is his teeth?
Inside his mouth. Oh, talk to Jesus. Jesus.
I'm just whispering
No, just say it louder.
while closing my mouth.
No, just
Stop distracting me on my praying.
okay. Talk to grandpa again.
Stop distracting me. I'm done.
What did you say?
That I wish Grandpa gets alive again tomorrow. What is this?
You say you love him. Oh no, don't feel it. Don't.